Hi guys, welcome to the Blender. Today I'll make first tutorial how to make cup of coffee. Okay, first thing, make sure you subscribe my channel to get new tutorials and some stuff. Second, go to edit, go preference, and type extra. Extra object. Make sure you enable that to add-ons. Go to X, Shift A mesh. And down here to single vert, add single vert, then go to right. From here I'm gonna click E for extrude, Y, E and Z up here, and select the vert. We need G and Y for moving, like that, E and Y, call EZ, down, G, moving. Customize that move again, Y axis, and here last thing E and Y. Okay, that vertex. Let's go to modifier, add modifier, and make screw. Here, bad cup. So we're gonna customize. Select that too. Go to Z. We hit Z. Go warframe, and we can a lot of customize here. G, okay, G, okay, select that vert, go to right, G, Y, okay, we're gonna go to modifier, add modifier, and subdivision surface, make it 3. Okay, more modifier, and go to this one. That's cool for a cup or a standing cup. Let's go to put here stamp coffee. Shift A mesh plane GZ. Make it up here. This for scaling. Make sure you covered everything in cup. Like that. Right click. Go to edit mode and right click. Subdivide. Click 100. Hit OK. And from top view, you can delete that outside here. Delete vertex. Okay, hit delete vertex. That's good. Okay, let's go add modifier and go with displacement. New. Click here and go to clouds. And down. Customize the size of cloud. That's cool. And down here for contrast. Gonna make it low. Down. Right click, smooth.